Here we have a 2017 Lexus RC. So it's a coupe Lexus. So what we installed in this is an integrated CarPlay system. So basically, it has a lot of gadgets in there, and the screen is quite a nice screen, etc., etc., etc. But what it doesn't have is CarPlay and Android Auto. So we installed a integrated one that basically works with the factory screen, factory controls, but gives you wireless CarPlay and also wireless Android Auto. And the actual device that we installed is from ZZ2, and basically is a Linux-based system and not an Android-based system. So let me show you how it all works. So if you come around the other side, so that's the controls, and that's obviously, you can see the screen. It has a touchpad as standard, this car. So to get into the CarPlay menu, just turn the volume down. To get into the CarPlay menu, just basically push menu and hold it, and then it flicks into CarPlay. So now what I just need to do is pair my phone up to it. It just shows you how easy it is. I just go into settings, and then basically we just hunt for it. And there's that one there. Click on that. Go pair, allow, go connect. And now you've got CarPlay. So it utilises your the touchpad. So you just carry on scrolling through the menu by using that, and obviously all the apps that's compatible with CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, and that you have on your phone will come up on there. So for example, Spotify, go into Spotify, and they have Spotify there. And a lot of the reasons why people want to go for these is purely because of a better sat nav. So if you go into like Google Maps, if you have Waze, that'll come up on it. So it's like I said, any apps that's compatible with Apple CarPlay. So that's Waze. If you're familiar with CarPlay, then you'll be familiar with this system because the actual format is the same no matter if it's a factory stereo or an aftermarket stereo like Kenwood or what have you, where you fit on a slightly older vehicle. It all has the same functionality as that. So this is a 2017 Lexus RC, and we installed an integrated CarPlay system.